In the not-too-distant future, a wave of revolutionary heavy equipment tools will change the way people work. With cutting-edge engineering, these futuristic wonders will have unmatched strength and accuracy, making manual labor obsolete. In this video, we will take a look at few such machines that will blow your mind. Can these machines truly replace the irreplaceable? Let's find out. Starting with number 6 on the list, a cotton harvester. The cotton harvester is an essential piece of equipment for textile production. Cotton harvesting used to be a time-consuming and arduous manual process. However, with technological advancements, modern cotton harvesters allow for more efficient and rapid harvest. Whether you're sorting garbage, dried cotton, or fresh cotton balls, it's important to be able to tell them that filtration and air movement systems are common additions to cotton harvesters. The blades of the machine and other blades are also discussed. This machine facilitates the process of slicing cotton clusters apart into single cotton fibers. Thanks to technological advances, current cotton harvesters provide farmers with a number of benefits, including the provision of labor and an increase in the yield and quality of the cotton produced. Coming to number 5, we have the John Deere 7250R tractor and Lexion 6900 harvester, which are prepped for a long day of work. Together, the Lexion 6900 and the John Deere 7250R are the pinnacle of modern wheat harvesting equipment. This harvester tractor has advanced to become the superior wheat harvesting tool due to its conveyor belt system, wheat processing, and automated control system. Hundreds of tons of wheat were quickly and efficiently harvested by the Lexion 6900 and John Deere 72500R in a single day. Another one on the list is the Panther II in Germany, which is a sugar beet harvester. The state-of-the-art technology integrated into the machinery makes sugar beetroot harvesting easier, faster, and more efficient. The equipment's automated sugar beet digging and separation mechanism streamlines the process of removing beets from the ground and severing their roots. You may also adjust the blade's depth to make sure you're picking up every drum hit. On the Panther II, both the component speeds and pressures can be adjusted so that a more advanced monitoring and control system can boost the machine's efficiency. The next one on the list is a pumpkin seed harvester. Pumpkin seed harvesters are specialized farm equipment designed to efficiently collect pumpkin seeds from the ripe pumpkins. Pumpkins are processed by being fed through a series of rollers and blades that remove the seeds while leaving the flesh, which can then be discarded or put to other uses. Kill bags or containers are used to collect the seeds. The pumpkin seed harvester is a tool necessary for large-scale pumpkin seed production. They increase supply and decrease demand for pumpkin seed products. These tools not only save time and effort for farmers, but also help ensure that their crop seeds remain undamaged during harvest, ensuring that their customers receive only the highest quality goods. Moving on to number 2, a tree shaker. This machine will be set up in an olive grove and used to gently shake the trees to harvest the olives, an automated process that increases output and reduces labor requirements by causing the olives to fall onto a specific surface, then placing them on a conveyor line for cleaning before collection, which helps to ensure that only the best, ripest olives are collected and processed further. In the top spot, we have the John Deere 952. The John Deere 952 is a common silage excavator used in modern agriculture because of its capacity to process massive amounts of maize and cornmeal. This machinery is designed to facilitate increased efficiency and speed in the manufacturing of sour maize. This excavator is equipped with a powerful diesel engine that can generate up to 620 horsepower, providing the speed and power necessary to work efficiently on any terrain when harvesting maize. The equipment can also quickly and easily scoop and dump maize flour, cutting down on the amount of time and effort required to process sour corn. Agriculture benefits from technological advancements because of their ability to increase productivity while decreasing negative impacts on their environment. Smart tools and digital solutions are employed to make work easier and cheaper. Farmers are also provided with instruments to manage and monitor productivity thanks to technological advancements, which improve the quality of agricultural products and the efficiency of businesses.